So I was just degassing this silicone right here, and I had a thought. Figured I'd ask you guys. Those of you who drive into work somewhere and get a paycheck from someone, if AI were to take your job, would you be happy switching to like a system where you're just doing random scopes of work and executing those, and you get paid per scope of work? Would you be okay with that model? And let's just say that you didn't have to hunt for the work, it just showed up on your computer, and then you just progress through it at your own pace. Is that a way that you would want to work in the future? And tell me what you think, good or bad, about that. Those of us who don't like working with people, this might not be a great future because it's up to you, like how much work you're going to get done. So if you're one of these people that sits at a large corporation, doesn't really contribute much, you're just dead weight, you're going to have to step it up, of course. But the flip side is if we have UBI and all you get is like a grasshopper protein shake every day, and that's your life, you might really want to kick it into high gear and get your own work done if you have the opportunity. So to ease the burden of this AI job displacement future, in one of my startups, Promptly3D, I'm toying with this idea of discrete doses of work output that would be delegated to you and your profile, your curated profile of what your core competencies are, your joys, your loves, everything that would make you truly happy to get through your workday. But you still have to work, right? You have to get stuff done as scopes of work. The reason I think this model could be feasible and work is because I've essentially done this for 21 years now, and I love my job. Like, I love what I've done here. I think work could be reformulated in that model to everyone, but I'm kind of a weirdo, so who knows? Really need your feedback on this. I think the alternative, though, is AI job displacement is coming. There's nothing we can do about it. So let me know. I have one possible solution, which is a marketplace that would delegate these tasks, and part of that delegation is auto-generating parts for engineers. And then those parts would be delegated to whoever can make them, essentially. You're pretty awesome for making it this far. Here's the example for this video. 3D printed mold, poured with silicone, let's say goes for 150 bucks. Back out some materials, $125. Can you do that in an hour? That's $125 an hour. If you're signed up as a vendor on Promptly3D, this job would show up on your board, you execute it. If you can do it in 15 minutes, then do the math. You're making 4 times that amount. This is where I see the future of work going for all of those of us who are displaced from the classic job market. If you're interested in this model, you potentially want to be a vendor, comment below, shoot me a direct message, whatever it takes. This might be moving forward a little bit faster. It's been on the back burner for a couple months, so I've been doing Fusion. Fusion's not stopping, by the way, but we might push this forward a little bit faster. So get in touch with me. I'll put you into like a spreadsheet of potential, I guess, a test group, a test bed for like the first MVP rollout, and we can see how this goes. Thank you so much for watching. Adios.